Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be refurbing my Range Rover wheel. Today I'm going to be refurbing my Range Rover wheels. So I was going to get them acid dipped and then powder coated properly, but the more I look at them, the more battered they are, and I don't really want to spend the 300 quid on refurbing them. And I'm probably going to look for different wheels. They are really nice wheels, I do like them. Just how battered they are. One of them's got a welding as well on the back, which Andy noticed before. So I don't really want to go mad spending loads of money on these wheels really. So I'm going to give them a quick refurb. A bit like what we did with Jono's BM. Quick refurb myself, rattle can jobby.
Refurb your wheels on the driveway?
But yeah, how to refurb your wheels on the driveway, what it is. Literally just going to get rattle canned. As good as I can. These ones, they're just... Someone needs to quit driving for the state of the wheels. All the way around the wheel is absolutely butchered. Same on that one, same on the other two. Unbelievable, and there's loads of corrosion as well. See, it's all just flaking off. They're just battered. They're just big chunks just missing out of them everywhere. They're just, you'll never get them right without getting them welded and then re-ground and filed, and it probably would cost me about 500 quid to put them right after they've welded them all and filed them all and got them all nice and smooth again, then powder coated them obviously. It's just not worth it. So quick refurb, that's what they're getting. So we'll get the grinder out. This bit does look a bit aggressive. Yeah, and I'm not taking the tyres off, nothing like that, because it can't be arsed paying to get them balanced and all that crap just to get them done as they are. It is what it is. Look at that. Wallop right across all that there. Absolutely flamwangoed. So yeah, this is a little bit aggressive. Your average wheel refurber probably wouldn't use this, but I'm not your average refurber.
Put your teeth back in.
I'm not your average wheel refurber, My truck, and I don't care. This is how they're going down.
Look at wheel refurbs going down everywhere.
Wheel refurbs everywhere. Anyway, here we go. To be honest, on this wheel, there's not that much damage to this tyre. Unless they were butchered this bad before this tyre got put on. Isn't that like orange and red file? Handled file?
Nay.
So after going over the rim with the flappy bazzy tool, next we'll go over it with the hand file, just to get rid of any of the remaining sharp edges.
No sound.
So you can see the difference. Yeah, I'll show you on this one straight away so you can compare. This one here was what that one was like a minute ago. Literally exactly the same script, butchered all the way around. Just by grinding it, it's a lot better. It's not sharp anymore either, like that one is.
It's a shame, isn't it?
Oh, it is. Terrible shame.
Next up, we're going to go over it with the hand bazzer.
So I've only got a little bit more scotching to do. Just get rid of the shiny bits. All inside them little cracks in there, the little grooves and everything. All inside the holes. And then that one's ready for primer. I'll jump on the other one as well. I've not done it, I've not touched that one yet. I have to get the grinder and baz all the edges back on that one. Just repeat what I've done here on that one. Should be sound. Funny because the other two were more curbed. This one and that one, apart from the edges being butchered like that, they've all got a bit of bubbling going on in the middle, where the paint started to bubble up. See it right in there. Proper crusty bubbly rims. Got a crusty bubbly rim, you? Yeah. Yeah. I was just in the baby with a carrot cake. What's this?
What have you got? That's it, making me cheat on my diet.
Thank you, Spud.
Where are you going?
Right, so now we've got all these wheels all sanded down, all the shiny bits are gone. So there's no more like shiny lacquer anywhere, so all the paint will stick. So I'm going to tape this one up all the way around tyre and get some primer on it in bits where I've gone through to metal. See, like all these bits here, I'm not going to spend loads of time on these, getting them like perfect, just because I think it was these two that were the worst two, and they just need loads of welding and stuff anyway. So I'm going to try and find another 2 wheels the same, and then obviously when I've got 4 good wheels, I'll get them powder coated probably. To get them welded and built up and then sanded back down and made smooth and made all dead nice, so just, it cost me a fortune. I might as well just buy some that aren't battered. Ideally, if you had your own tyre machine, I'd pop the tyres off on these. Not even take the tyres off, just press the tyre off the bead. It'd be a lot nicer job. I mean, taking the tyre off would be bloody marvellous, but I'm not spending loads of time on them, to be honest. There we go, all taped up, ready for primer and paint. First, I'm just going to baz the other wheel back, dead quick first. Right, so we're just going to cover some bare metal bits and a bit of primer, and we can chuck a load of paint on.
Sticks that primer, doesn't it?
It's horrible. I don't know where we've bought this from. Yeah, so the reason for black primer, because that's what was in the cupboard.
And so while we've been doing these, one of the neighbours have come over and asked if we'll touch his wheels up for him.
Yeah.
So we got a job out of it.
Yeah, exactly. Not that we do jobs for public and all that.
The wheel's going to be black in a minute.
No. That looks ugly there, that.
Let's look at your crispy wheel. Yeah, you can hardly tell on here, mate. Put your mask on. For these people. Look. Oh, just need to put it on my face now. Look at this. We're all safe.
Yeah. Right, so wheels are all in primer. I've only primed the bits that I've rubbed through to the metal. Just going to get some paint on them.
And so, what's that one painted? Looking a lot better. On camera, they look really good.
Yeah.
Here's the second one. So I've primed up on this. Ooh. Listen, I think once these are lacquered and they're on, they're never going to be perfect, but they're going to be 100 times better than they were.
Oh, yeah.
They just look like silver wheels. Look good on camera.
So there we go. They're all 4 wheels painted.
Just a spot of lacquer in there. So that's the next stage. Where's your lacquer?
And for the ones that didn't like us not wearing masks for 2K, there we go.
Safety conscious and all that.
Trying to keep everybody happy.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's
It's hard to keep everyone happy, but it's easy to piss everyone off.
oh yeah,
Mad.
dead easy. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the best they're getting. I'm not spending loads of time on them because I don't like these two on the ramps here. Them two are alright over there, these two are just terrible. So yeah, I think I'm going to try and buy either another set of them or just try and find 2 and I'll just put these tyres on the 2. And this is the best I'm getting without spending loads of money really. So
Yeah. You'd have definitely been into over 5 ton with welding them up.
oh, 100%.
You'd have to put them on a lathe them down, do you know what I mean? So yeah. So it was the cheaper option.
Yeah.
So you've been on your holiday and then, you know, sort it from there.
Yeah.
They won't be staying like that, will they?
No, not at all. Definitely be getting changed. So now it's time to get lacquering. Now we are using 2K lacquer, so Buddy's got his mask on.
Look at this.
I got mine on.
Yeah. And Liam's recruited me so I can actually do a bit on the video. Right, that's how shiny we can make them.
And the idea behind Andy with the torch there, it just helps see where the lacquer's been and needs to go.
Yeah, you get some dry spots. Look crap.
I love a bit of shottage like that, won't he?
Oh, you'll be creamy there now. You like that, Jono? You like it? Yeah, right. As good as it's getting.
Yeah.
Lift it up there now.
So there they are, just put the centre caps back in. Now, it is only a quick and easy dead cheap fix this, because I'm still not happy with 2 of the wheels. I'm going to buy 2 more wheels. Just 2 are in really quite good condition for powder coating standards, 2 aren't. So I'm going to try and find another 2, and eventually somewhere down the line I'm going to get them all powder coated, but just so they're looking good for holiday, so they're nice on the truck. That's how they're staying.
That's perfectly acceptable then.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Do you know what I mean? You look at them when they're on the car and when they've got a little bit of brake dust on you won't even see it.
No.
They'll just look like a tidy silver rim. Some
Yeah,
bits like that, they give it away, but
Yeah.
it's fine, yeah. Potato, potato, all that shit.
Yeah. Right, so if you'd like today's video, please give us a like, subscribe and leave us a comment.
And you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
See you in the next one.
Yes.